In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the look of your Prezi using colors and fonts. Second, I'm going to show you how to get your Prezi ready for presenting using paths and frames. And finally, I'm going to show you how to embed your Prezi into your eFolio world. First, let's change how this Prezi looks. Go to colors and fonts to do this. I like the midnight theme, so I'm going to choose that. And this is going to completely change how my Prezi looks. Another option that you have rather than choosing one of the pre-made themes is to go to Theme Wizard. And what Theme Wizard is going to do is it's going to allow you to create your own theme. So I'm going to cancel out of that because I'm happy with the theme I chose. And what I need to do now is I need to create a path. And what a path is going to do is it's going to tell Prezi what order I want to show the different elements on my presentation. So I'm going to click on Path, and I've actually already created one, so I'm going to delete it to show you how to do this. And the first thing that I want my audience to see is the word bats. So I'm going to click there, and you can see that bats turned into a little slide, and it flew down into the bottom left-hand corner here. So that lets me know that bats is the first thing that I'm going to see. Next, I want them to see echolocation, and I'd like them to see this bat picture, and then I'd like them to see this video. Okay, so let's go ahead and click Show. Show is the option that's going to allow you to actually see what your presentation looks like. So when I click that, I'm going to get this little sub-menu, and the back and forward arrows are going to actually allow me to go through the presentation. So let me click the forward arrow, okay, and I'm going to zoom in on bats, and then I'm going to see echolocation. I'm going to see the bat picture, and then the video will start automatically playing. Okay, so let me end to get out of here, and as you can see, the presentation is still zoomed in on the video, so let me use the magnifying glass to zoom out. Okay, now I can see my whole presentation. One problem that I saw with my presentation was that I couldn't see the picture of the bats and the citation under them at the same time, and I'd like to be able to see that. So the way that I can do that is with frames. So I'm going to click on Frame, and what a frame is going to do is it's going to force the presentation to only show what's inside of the frame. So I'm going to draw a frame, and when I look at my presentation this time, it should show the picture of the bats and the citation at the same time. But I have to change the path a little bit first. So let me go back to the main menu. I'm going to click Path, and my path is just going to the bat picture right now. I can see that down here as well, and I don't want that going to the bat picture, so let me get rid of that. Alright, I still want this to be the third element that people see, so I'm going to grab this little nodule between 2 and the current 3, and I'm going to drag it over to the frame and let go. Okay, so you can see that the entire frame with the bat and the citation has gone down into this bottom part of the screen. The bat frame has turned into number 3, and the video is again number 4. Okay, so let's see what happens when I view it this time. I'm going to click Show. Okay, and the entire frame is showing. Okay, let me end this. Zoom out again. And I've basically just created a Prezi. Now I need to put this onto my eFolio world. So to do this, first of all, I want to make sure that it's saved. And Prezi does save automatically, but you can click the Save At button just in case you want to make sure. And I'm going to exit. Okay, and on this screen, you want to make sure that your Prezi is public so people can view it. You can change this right here by clicking this arrow, make sure that it's public, and then to share it, click the Share button, and then click the Embed button. And then if you copy the code to the clipboard, just click that. It is copied, and I'm going to switch over to eFolio World. I'm going to pretend like this is my Success and Leadership Prezi. So I'm going to click on that page, click Build, and then I'm going to go to New Content, Add New, HTML, Create, write in the title for my Prezi, embed the HTML here. I'm just going to paste it in, save it. I'm going to go to My Content and find my Prezi under HTML, drag it over, preview my page, and my Prezi shows up and I can run through it.